Hi everyone, dropship supplier Nazmul here. Welcome to this guide of what is dropshipping and how does it work. If you are looking to make money online by dropshipping, then see this full video. I will tell you every step-by-step process within 3 to 4 minutes. So first of all, what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an online e-commerce business where you can manage it from anywhere in the world. Only you need a laptop or mobile, internet connection, and just few dollar budget like 100 to 200 dollars. The next step is you will choose a product from AliExpress which is trending and which is good product. Then you will create a store by Shopify or any other e-commerce platform. Shopify is very popular and it is very design friendly, very high professional. And after then you will just contact me and then I will link your store to my ERP system. So you can manage this business. Just when the order will come to your store, I will see every order details and I will fulfill your orders. Then you will take the profit. So if a product cost is $10, then you will set the price as 3x markup of $30. This is the rules of dropshipping. So $10 you will pay me, for example. Then I will ship this product to customer house, and in the middleman as you are, you will take the profit of $20. And then this entire systems will work by your marketing only. So how you will advertise your product? You can do by from TikTok, Meta ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, and organic dropshipping also. Your focus will be just marketing, bringing order, and I will ship the products of the orders. Then whatever, no problem, you will take the profit and you will scale your business. So thank you so much guys. Please just comment below or email me in my video description. Every contact details you will get. If you want to grow or if you want to make an online business by dropshipping, just contact me. I will help you.